after the main coin is going to be the altcoin. Okay, and by knowing this information, it can be a game changer to you. It can change your way of trading. It can change your way how you place your order when you enter the market, when you exit the market. And let's show you a small example. Let's come back to this platform where I use to see how the crypto are trending. Look at what's going on. Okay, the first one is Bitcoin here. If market will start Bitcoin, you see the Bitcoin has a huge impact on other crypto. If we see the trend, the chart or the curve of the Bitcoin during the last 7 days, this is how it looks. Okay, I don't want to zoom in. I just want to remain here to let you see the shape of this small curve. And we can change the period. Okay, this is for the last 7 days. Where can we change it? Maybe if we zoom to it, we can change the trending here. No, okay, no. Let's remain. This is the general view on CoinMarketCap. What I want you to see is that let's focus on Bitcoin signal. We see in the red, okay? Just a short reminder, here you see that the first column is for the price. I mean, the actual price. This is the change, the percentage of change after 1 hour, per 1 hour, the percentage of change per 24 hours, the percentage of change per 7 days. And this is the market cap of the Bitcoin. Of course, it is by far the heaviest the heaviest cryptocurrency in the world, because the market cap of the Bitcoin is more than $1 billion. It's almost 2 billion. So there's no coin or no cryptocurrency beating Bitcoin in terms of market cap. And the number of crypto under circulation per day, I mean per 24 hours, is just amazing. It is more than 34 billion. So please, there's no discussion. I mean, no, the market cap of Bitcoin is a trillion, because the volume of the Bitcoin cannot be above the market cap. So we are almost 2 trillion for the Bitcoin market cap, and the number of the volume of Bitcoin traded per day per 24 hours. Here it says that we have, the volume per 24 hour, a measure how much a cryptocurrency was traded in the last 24 hours. You see, if you read more, okay, we are not interested in it. Just make you see that Bitcoin is a king, is the crypto king, and the circulating supply of the BTC is 19.82 billion. Compared to the other crypto, it is just, there's no comparison, okay? No comparison. When the Bitcoin is more than almost 2 billion in terms of market cap, Ethereum is more than 300 million. So very far from the capacity of the Bitcoin. And okay, what I want you to see today is to rely on this curve. We see how the Bitcoin curve is today. This is the curve for the last 7 days. You see how it's a little bit fluctuating. It goes up a little bit. It comes down, then it up. There's a short peak. Maybe something happened during the week. It drops again. It follows a small uptrending, and then it started to decline. You go up, decline, and very big drop here. Okay. This is not what is interesting for us. What is interesting for us is how the other crypto how the other crypto looks with respect to the Bitcoin signal. I mean, what is the curve of other cryptocurrency if we refer ourselves on the Bitcoin? If we take the Bitcoin as reference frame. How are the other crypto display their curve in the last 7 days? How do the curve of the other crypto look in the same reference frame of time? Are the curve of other crypto the same as Bitcoin or different? If we find a cryptocurrency which is different in terms of shape with respect to the Bitcoin, it means that this cryptocurrency is not impacted by Bitcoin. It means that the fluctuation of Bitcoin does not have anything does not have an impact of that cryptocurrency. But if we see that this shape is nearly reproducible in other cryptocurrency, it means that these cryptocurrencies are heavily or almost 100% impacted by the fluctuation of the Bitcoin. Okay, the first line is Bitcoin. The second line here is Ethereum. Okay? The third line is XRP. Let's look at Ethereum and Bitcoin and Ethereum first. Bitcoin and Ethereum. We see that here the Bitcoin starts with a kind of fluctuation signal, and then it jumped again. The signal of Ethereum seems to have the same trend: small fluctuation, jump, and then big jump, just like a Bitcoin. And when Bitcoin drops here, Ethereum drops too. Okay? And let us zoom a little bit. Okay. I just want to make the visualization comfortable for all of you. Okay. Now we can see. Very good. Very good. So, what we should see here is that when the Ethereum signal drop, when the Bitcoin signal drop, Ethereum signal also drop. It goes a little bit. There's a small, here it tends like it is slightly going up. Also, Ethereum follow that trend. Then there's a peak here. Ethereum also slightly peaks. And then, but instead of having this dome shape here, Ethereum just go down. It peaks again, go down. So, and which is not the Bitcoin doing. At least it is not 100% reproducible. So we can say, okay, sometime Ethereum can follow Bitcoin. Sometime Ethereum cannot follow Bitcoin. Okay, let's go to XRP, the third cryptocurrency here. This is XRP. Every time that we visit a cryptocurrency, we put a star here. Let me show you the star that I'm referring to. Yes. This is the star, okay? We had a look on the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Now, what does the XRP do? The XRP slightly follow Bitcoin from after a certain period of time. At the beginning here, we see that Bitcoin starts low and display a small peak and then drops again. Ethereum, XRP don't follow that trend, but it started to mimic the behavior of the Bitcoin after a couple of days. In this period, if we draw a line here, okay. Well, what I want you to see is that what I want you to evaluate is that does the shape of the XRP appears to be the same as that of the Bitcoin? If yes, this is a jackpot. But after a certain period of days, we see that XRP start to have the same dome as Bitcoin. The same dome. Even though Bitcoin peaks a little bit and drops suddenly, XRP does not do that, or at least it is here. We see the same thing here, but just slightly, and then follow the dome. What does that mean? It means that when Bitcoin start to fluctuate, the other cryptocurrency, the main coin that are under the influence of Bitcoin start to prepare themselves, need some time to follow the trend of the Bitcoin. They are preparing themselves according to the value of the market cap, according to the number of cryptocurrency, according to the number of that cryptocurrency in circulation. We need some time before we see the market reaction. This is the time that we see here. So the lead time for other meme coin is a little bit longer. But after they catch up with the Bitcoin, they follow the same trend. Okay, it means that when the price of the Bitcoin started to decline or to go up, please, if you want to have a huge profit, you should invest on the cryptocurrencies that are impacted by the Bitcoin. For instance, if we see that Bitcoin is struggling a little bit, this is when we should start to invest on the other cryptocurrencies that are influenced by the Bitcoin. Because when they will catch up, at the least time we finish, they will follow the Bitcoin. If the Bitcoin goes up, it goes up. Go down, it goes down. Okay? And I don't advise Ethereum, but I advise you to invest on Ethereum after the Bitcoin started has finished to fluctuate. But here we focus on other cryptocurrency except Ethereum, which is an altcoin, not a meme coin. We talk about meme coin, and because XRP is connected to a movement, to an event where people want to use very low and low cost exchange channel for fiat currency. This is an event, and this is the project to which XRP is connected to. Okay, so it means that when Bitcoin is fluctuating, it's even going up a little bit and go down. Please, when you see this, how Bitcoin is starting to react, get into the market for XRP and wait after time. After a certain period of time, and then you will see the profit going on. When the Bitcoin is declining, get out of the market very quickly, because when it goes up, the meme coin follow later. But it goes down, there's a small lead time before starting to see this. So when the Bitcoin, so if you want to follow, to invest on the meme coin, you have to follow how the Bitcoin is going on. If it goes up, you should understand that it is the time to invest not on Bitcoin because Bitcoin is already up, but on the meme coin that will follow later. Okay, this is XRP. Let's see what's going on with the other meme coin. Ether. So this is USDT. USDT is not a meme coin. It is an altcoin, and it is very linked to the USD dollars. So this is Ether. Please just avoid it. The proof is that when you compare the curve here with the Bitcoin, it's or XRP or even Ethereum, it doesn't have anything to do with that. It is completely different. Here, when the Bitcoin is showing the bomb shape, here it is completely flat. Okay, please forget about it. Same thing for BNB. BNB is an altcoin. It's not a meme coin. Forget about it. And let's go to Solana. Solana, just as XRP, is influenced by Bitcoin. So if we take Bitcoin as reference, we look at the other meme coin. If we look at XRP, we look at Solana, we look at Dogecoin. Pay attention very carefully. It is something that you should notice. After Dogecoin, we go to Chainlink. After Chainlink, we go to Stellar. After Stellar, we go to Litecoin. Not even Litecoin, no. Sui. After Sui, we go to Shiba Inu. After Shiba Inu, we should find something like Hedera. We should find Pepe also. This is Hyperliquid. Okay, Hyperliquid is not that much. Bitcoin Cash, of course, Bitcoin Cash should follow. Okay. Uniswap, no. Pepe, this is the coin that I was looking for. Pepe. After Pepe, this is AAV. What is AAV again? This is not. It's not Avalanche. AAV. Oh, I forgot the project name of that. AAV. AAVE. Okay. After we have Near Protocol. After Near Protocol, we have Aptos, of course. After Aptos, we have Official Trump. Official Trump, not that much. I've not bet for it that much. Okay, for now. After that, we have Casper, of course. We have Polygon Scientific. Okay, Polygon Matic. We not VChain. No. Chronos, no. We have Render, almost. Filecoin, almost. Arbitrium. Let's go to other one. Cosmos, not that much. Artificial super intelligence, why not? Who again? KuCoin, Injective, XDC, yes. Stack. Okay. What is the message here? The key message is that you should make your own list. You should place the Bitcoin at the first line. And from the second line, you list all the meme coins that are influenced by Bitcoin. You should put it as the wish list or the watch list in your trading platform. Once you made this, you check when the Bitcoin is moving, the signal is moving. How do these meme coin that you listed below Bitcoin be behaving? How are they behaving? How do they behave? How do they change? How do they evolve? If you, for sure, you will see that when we have a movement like this, for instance, in Bitcoin like this, and if you want to have a good profit, you should not bet when Bitcoin is up. No. Since there's a small lead time, when it is up there, it's not that up here at XRP or at Solana or at Dogecoin or let's take something really random, or Stellar, or we can go again very low with the same bump, or at AAV. This is the coin what you should bet on, because they need some lead time before feeling the burden or the wave of the Bitcoin's fluctuation. If you know this, you will make very serious profit, because you will be capable to predict how the other meme coin will behave according to the Bitcoin. Okay? Now, when can you know if Bitcoin is going to decline or is going to go up? Since you are referring yourself on Bitcoin to predict how the meme coin will behave, it is good that you priorly know how Bitcoin is going to change. Will the Bitcoin go up in the next hour or the next day or in the next coming weeks or month, or will the Bitcoin go down? If you want to know the exact prediction about what will happen to the Bitcoin before you go to bet on other meme coin, you need a signal that should tell you to be prepared when Bitcoin is going up or down. From that signal of Bitcoin, you can rely on it to plan your trading on other meme coin. This is the game. So focus on Bitcoin, on Bitcoin's signal, catch up the information, and bet on other meme coin that are impacted or under the influence of the Bitcoin. Because as soon as the Bitcoin will go up, those meme coin will react later. And if you bet on time, before they go up, you will get profit. If the Bitcoin is going up, don't bet on it. Bet on those coins that will be impacted by Bitcoin. Okay? Now, let's go to the platform that will give you the signal of Bitcoin when the Bitcoin go up or down. This platform